Our journey begins with understanding common posture, a foundation for intelligent movement and spinal health.
Awareness begins here as we gently adjust the neck, setting the stage for proper alignment.
Opening the shoulders and chest reduces stiffness, fostering a more upright and confident posture. Controlled movements through the spine's natural range encourage flexibility and reduce daily tension. Engaging core muscles creates a protective shield for the lower back, vital for sustained posture. A strong lower body with engaged hips and legs forms the essential foundation for alignment. Warm up with gentle arm circles, preparing your shoulders for optimal mobility and flexibility.
Dynamic leg swings enhance hip mobility and flexibility, building a strong base for posture.
The cat-cow stretch gently mobilizes the spine, increasing flexibility and body awareness. Wall angels activate crucial upper back muscles, improving shoulder posture and spinal alignment. Wall angels activate crucial upper back muscles, improving shoulder posture and spinal alignment. Open your chest, counteracting daily slouching and promoting a more confident, upright stance. The modified plank builds foundational core strength, essential for protecting your spine and improving posture. Strengthen your upper back with seated rows, pulling your shoulders back for improved posture. Target specific posture muscles with W retractions, drawing your shoulder blades together. Reverse flies strengthen your posterior shoulders, crucial for maintaining an open, upright posture.
Elongate your spine with a standing lat stretch, releasing tension and promoting flexibility.
Enhance lateral spinal flexibility with standing side bends, improving overall range of motion. Improve rotational mobility with gentle spinal twists, enhancing flexibility and balance for posture. Target specific upper back muscles with T retractions, drawing your shoulder blades together.
Engage your deep core with an abdominal brace, building internal stability for your spine.
Strengthen your glutes and hamstrings with glute bridges, supporting your lower back and posture.
Improve stability and control with single leg balance, enhancing overall body awareness and posture. Activate your lower trapezius with Y retractions, lifting and supporting your upper back posture. Strengthen your entire back with standing rows, pulling your shoulder blades together with control.
Decompress your spine with an overhead reach, promoting length and reducing compressive forces.
Improve segmental spinal mobility with seated thoracic rotations, enhancing flexibility and posture. Depress your shoulder blades, creating space in your neck and promoting a relaxed, open posture. Release neck tension with a gentle stretch, promoting relaxation and improved head posture. Stretch your hamstrings and lower back with a seated forward fold, increasing flexibility and ease. Open your chest and shoulders with a door frame stretch, countering tightness and improving posture. Mobilize your upper back with foam roller extensions, increasing thoracic flexibility for better posture. Release hip tension with a figure 4 stretch, improving lower body flexibility and comfort. Lengthen your hamstrings with a standing stretch, improving flexibility and supporting pelvic alignment. Release tension in your quadriceps and hip flexors, promoting balance and upright posture. Improve ankle mobility and lower leg flexibility with a targeted calf stretch. Counteract tightness from sitting with a hip flexor stretch, restoring balance to your pelvis. Release tension in your shoulders with a cross-body stretch, promoting relaxation and mobility. Lengthen your triceps and improve arm flexibility, supporting overall upper body posture. Release tension in your forearms and wrists, crucial for desk workers and daily activities. Stretch your wrist flexors, alleviating strain from daily tasks and repetitive hand movements. Gently mobilize your lower spine with a supine twist, releasing tension and improving flexibility.
Find peace and spinal decompression in child's pose, a restorative posture for mind and body.
Cultivate inner calm and mindful breathing, reinforcing the connection between mind and body.
With intelligent movement, the body stands taller, balanced, and confident, a testament to daily effort. Gently extend your spine, counteracting forward slouching and promoting an upright posture.
Strengthen your shoulder stabilizers with external rotation, improving overall upper body posture. Challenge your proprioception with eyes closed balance, enhancing body awareness and stability.
Actively lengthen your spine and engage your core, reinforcing the feeling of tall, confident posture. Connect with your breath, allowing diaphragmatic breathing to calm your body and mind.
Actively squeeze your shoulder blades together and down, strengthening key postural muscles.
Improve chest mobility with dynamic stretches, promoting an open and confident posture. Lengthen your triceps and improve arm flexibility, supporting overall upper body posture. Release neck tension with a gentle side stretch, promoting relaxation and improved head posture. Elongate your entire body with a seated stretch, promoting overall flexibility and well-being. Release tension with gentle shoulder rolls, promoting relaxation and improving shoulder mobility.
Improve neck mobility and release stiffness with slow, controlled, standing neck rotations.
Embrace your natural, upright posture, a testament to intelligent movement and daily spinal health. Conclude with a calm, deep breath, integrating the physical and mental benefits of mindful movement. Embrace your strength and balance. Every movement contributes to a healthier, more confident you.